In this video, you will just learn the parts of a triangle. This is basic thing you need to know. In the other videos, we will handle things like Pythagoras theorem and SOHCAHTOA. But in this one, what you are seeing right now is the shape of a triangle, right? Now, a triangle is called a triangle because it has three parts. Three parts. It is that three parts that makes it to be called triangle. Any angle that has three sides, and three angles. There are three lines here and three angles, making it a triangle. This particular one you are looking at is a right angle triangle. Why is it a right angle triangle? You can see this place called C. That sign over there shows that it is a right angle triangle, and it has the longest side you can see, AB, is called a hypotenuse. AB is the longest side of a triangle. Right angle triangle is called a hypotenuse. The opposite is AC because it is facing the angle. Any of the side AC facing the theta is called opposite. It is opposite the angle theta. You can see theta here. Then we have the adjacent parts. So in this triangle, we call right angle triangle, we have AB, hypotenuse, AC, opposite. Why is it opposite? Because it is facing the theta. Then we now have the base line called the CB, which we normally call the adjacent. So a right angle triangle has hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent.